Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video we are going to see how to delete everything ChatGPT knows about you. For this, we're already directly inside what will be ChatGPT application, or in this case we are on the website. What we are going to do, obviously after that, logging into our account. If you are not logging in, you must do so. Once here, as you can see, we'll have the main section, the main interface where we can normally work with ChatGPT. What we will do is go to the section where our profile is located. Once here, we go to the section that says settings. Here we are going to find all these configuration settings. What we are gonna do is head directly to the section that says storage. We will have the whole memory section, but then this will be the storage such. It usually happens that sometimes when we have some files or some image, ChatGPT will store them as part of the memory. But if we go now to the data control section, which is the section for everything related to controlling our data, we also have another section here where we find the part where in this case we have all the chats. Because if we have all the chats, for example, I'm going to show you here, let's give it a small example, right? I'm going to ask it what I did a year ago with ChatGPT. So let's see what it tells us, which will give us the response, meaning that here we see it give us it to us, so it does have memory. But if we want to delete that, as I mentioned, we go to the data controls, and here we'll have to go to the section that says delete all chats. So we click here. After this, we will have to confirm that we want to delete all chats, which will cause all this memory ChatGPT had to be deleted from here. So that's how it works. We also go to the personalization section, and here we'll have the memory summary section as well. Here we'll be able to delete it, but in my case we can't because we don't currently have any saved memory. And this is a slightly more customizable section here.